was in bed watching Psycho, and I just heard this train going through the house, and I don't know what went through me. If I was more so hoping it would stop. I was like, okay, this is kind of obnoxious. I'm gonna go like see what's going on. Then I was thinking like, we could get the cops called on us.
No.
That's actually a pretty good. What's it called? What's the word for
Good
it?
reason?
Good reason, but a good question to just keep in mind. Like we could
Yeah. That's true.
get a train going through here.
Everyone probably thinks that like a new train was built outside our apartment or something. Like a whole new like train track or something.
I thought you were watching TV. I was like, damn, I'm ready to go put some crap down.
That's the loudest fucking.
It's like-
I had it playing through our like my PA system, or not PA system, but studio speakers, and they get really loud. So that's how I pulled it off.
Oh, trust me, I heard that loud.
I got you on camera! I was hoping for a better reaction than that. But
I was just tired and confused.
yeah, now I just feel like an asshole for waking up. I probably woke the entire apartment up.
Like, I'm not worried about me because I can handle trains, but the Indians next door and the people over there are.
Well, I don't know if there's anyone that lives in that area over there. You leaving?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed.
Alright, man. Well, have a good sleep.
But it's coming.
What's coming?
Payback, bitch.